Hey everyone, want to add tables in Looker Studio? In this video, I'll show you how to create and customize tables step by step. First, open Looker Studio and open your existing report. Make sure your data source is connected before adding a table. Next, click Add a Chart from the toolbar and select Table. Place the table anywhere on your dashboard. Now choose the dimensions and metrics you want to display. For example, you can show data like pages, products, campaigns, clicks, or revenue. You can customize the table by adding filters, sorting options, and pagination settings. This helps you organize large amounts of data more clearly. Use the Style panel to change fonts, colors, row settings, and other design options. You can also add conditional formatting to highlight important values and make your report easier to read. After making changes, review the table to make sure it shows the correct information. Finally, save your report and share it with others, and that's how you add tables in Looker Studio. With customizable tables, you can display detailed data and create more useful dashboards. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.